So it is currently December 30th, right before New Year's, and as you can see, these are our 2 lemon trees. If you look, there's quite a few ripe, ready to pick lemons on our tree, and we're going to make fresh, homemade lemonade for New Year's. If you notice here, even though it's dead winter, we still got new lemons forming. Then we got lemons that aren't ripe yet, but they're still growing. So imagine having fresh lemons throughout the year. And these aren't just any lemons. For example, look at the size of that lemon. Compare it to what you'd get in a store. I guarantee you this is fresher, more juice, and healthier than anything you'll get in the store. Look at that one. Now that's a lemon. The size of a baseball. Not these rinky-dinky small lemons you get at the grocery store. These smell really good. Just picking them off of it. This one, not going to pick any off yet, but as you can see, we've still got quite a few that are growing and forming. So, these lemon trees are just 2 years old, so it doesn't take long for them. Oh, I stand corrected. Come over here. I got 2 more I need to pick down there. So, this is what I got from one tree, and there's still quite a few on the tree. Talk about some good lemonade. We're going to make it soon.
These are Meyer lemons, which are not sold in stores. They are bigger and sweeter. Now here the lemons are being cut in half and the juice is squeezed out. This will work for oranges as well. All the liquid is caught in the bottom. Just squeeze and twist.
That's from one lemon. Get that from a store-bought lemon.
Let's see exactly how much we get from one lemon.
Just shy of half a cup.
Now let me show you how much one of these lemons weigh. Almost 7.5 ounces. Let's make some lemonade from these lemons we grew on our homestead. Just combine 2 cups of sugar and 2 cups of water and heat it just until the sugar melts. We are on a diet, so no sugar for us. We are using Swerve. It is a sugar substitute. We really like Swerve, but it's expensive, so this is only an occasional treat. Here I have 2 cups of the lemon juice. I'm going to add it to the empty pitcher. I take the sugar water mixture and add it to the pitcher. And then give it a good stir. Next, I pour in 6 cups of water. And give it another good stir. Just set this in the refrigerator to cool overnight.
So this is the finished product of the homemade lemonade. Let's give it a taste. Oh man, that's good. It doesn't give the bitter kind of aftertaste. It's just really good and sweet. That might be some of the best lemonade I've ever had. I encourage you to grow your own lemon trees because, wow, that's hard to beat.